Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn Yes Speech. Today I share my joy with you. Dear friends, in 2020 when I started my channel, at that time I did not expect that you will love and support me this much. But you gave me so much love through your sweet comments which motivated me so much. And I am so happy and thankful to 100k people who have subscribed to my channel. After 100k subscriber, YouTube sent me this award. We got a silver play button and congratulations letter from YouTube USA. So I am thankful and grateful to all of you.